All right, we just got to our floating cabin at Lake Pleasant, and as you can tell behind me, this thing is literally floating on the water. Like, how cool is that? Like, this thing is just out here floating, okay? We got direct TV. This thing is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom cabin with a loft, okay? 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a loft. I mean, this is pretty cool. So like, if I don't want you to come in, I could just go like this. Look at that. Pretty dope, okay? All right, let's check it out. All right, come on in. We're gonna check it out. You're checking it out basically for the first time. We did already walk around a little bit. This thing is dope. We're gonna be spending the 4th of July out here, and I'm gonna bring you along with me, and we're gonna have a great time. We're gonna have a bunch of people out here, and we're gonna have a lot of fun. So you've got like, I don't know, a sliding glass door, like a dope, like what would you call that? Like a balcony? Would you call that a balcony? A little balcony? We got a little balcony out here. I'll take you out there in a minute, but we got a grill. We have a sink out there. We can like jump off out there. We have our boat, okay? So if you don't know, I have a Centurion RI 245, and this is actually the lake that we have our slip at. And so our boat is literally like 20 feet from here, okay? And it is up on a brand new lift, and that is actually a brand new boat. We just bought that boat. I'll show you that boat on the screen right now. But check this out. So that turns into a bed. 2 people could sleep there if they really wanted to. We got a bunch of storage here. This is pretty cool. So look, it comes stocked with everything. So we've got a toaster, we've got a can opener, we've got a freaking blender, we've got pots and pans. I don't even know how to use half that crap, but we have it, okay? In here, we've got life jackets, because we're technically on a boat, okay? Although it is called a floating cabin, we are on a boat, so we have life jackets. We got more life jackets down there. In case somebody falls off and drowns. Definitely no bueno. We got like a full kitchen. Like, this is sick. We've got surround sound up there. I know for a fact this is gonna be cool at night, all right? So check it out. Like I said, it is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, okay? So we've got a full shower right here. Like, literally a full shower. Like, look at this. We're floating on the water right now. Full shower, dope ceiling, by the way. Super dope. Sink, bath, what do you call it? Toilet. Okay, we've got a closet, bedroom, pretty small bedroom, but we do have a bedroom, okay? The light maybe works and maybe doesn't work, okay? The light does work, in fact. Pretty small bed, not too big. Comment down below if you think I'll get sick. We're like rocking back and forth. Rocking back and forth. I'll definitely need to take a shot of tequila for that one. Not too many shots of tequila, because then I'll really get sick sleeping in that bed. Okay, we have a mirrored version of that over here. So everything that I just showed you over there is the exact same. So we've got a shower, we've got a sink, we have a toilet, pretty dope. So 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, okay? In here, bed. Same comfort level there. Okay, now we have a loft, okay? So I'm gonna show you the loft. Jacob's gonna hit his head on his way up here. Look, it says right here, watch your head. And then look at right here. There's a picture of a duck. Duck. Okay, you make it up here. And check it out, okay? Man, I'm out of breath. I need to go to the gym more. Okay, so we're up here in the loft, pretty dope. I feel like you could get a pretty good night's rest right here. Now, if you wake up in the middle of the night though, oh dude, that could hurt. Okay, so pretty cool. So we've got some storage up here, a little vent right here. It is supposed to be 115, actually I think like 113, 115 degrees over the 4th of July weekend. So a lot of fun. But right here from this angle, okay, you can see directly out to the lake. So get jacked out of your mind. Okay, let's go show you the outside. And voila. Okay, so check it out. Pretty dope out here. It's pretty quiet because it is Thursday, okay? I'm gonna bring y'all out here like Saturday or Sunday, and it's gonna be wild out here, okay? We're gonna have a lot of fun. So we've got a grill. Definitely gonna show you all of the stuff that we make on that grill. A bunch of hot dogs, a bunch of hamburgers. We have a sink over there. If I was like not mic'd up right now and I was wearing a bathing suit, I would totally jump in that water because it is hotter than crap out here. Also, you can turn this into like a day bed, which is super dope, okay? So you can actually come right here and you could grab these cushions and you can turn that into a day bed, which I'll show you over the weekend. Hey, really quick, I'm sure you already know, but I've done over 2,500 wholesale deals in my career, and me and my team consistently do anywhere from 1 to 2 wholesale deals a day. If you're looking to get better at wholesaling, or maybe you're brand new, you've never wholesaled a deal, I would actually love to coach you. I would love to mentor you, and I would love for you to be a part of our education program. All you have to do is go to www.flippinsimple.com, or you can find a link in the description down below and book a strategy session with my team to see if you would be a good fit for our coaching program. Again, this is our exact strategy and formula of how we are actually able to go out every single day and do anywhere from 1 to 2 wholesale deals a day. Nobody's talking about what we're doing, and I really look forward to coaching you and mentoring you. So again, go to www.flippinsimple.com. Now let's just go ahead and get back to the show. We're about to head out to the lake, and we're about to get jacked out of our mind. We're at the office right now. What are you doing?
Let's go, baby. How in the heck?
Just writing yourself a check.
Writing myself a blah, blah, blah.
We got B. Gray. He's writing himself a check. And today is Saturday, July... What is today? July 1st? You've got to love it. And nobody's in the office, which is really weird, dude. I don't know how I feel about that.
Yeah, it'll make you fall right over.
Just having nobody in the office at all. Look at this. I'm not a big fan typically of the weekend. I typically hate the weekend, actually, because it's kind of depressing. Like, I feel like the weekend is definitely depressing. Let me know what you think down below. But in particular, this weekend, as you may or may not have already seen, depending on the order, we are out at the lake, okay? We're in a floating cabin, and we're having a fun time. Hey, I have not vlogged in a really long time, so if you end up liking the video, make sure to subscribe and smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, okay? I would greatly appreciate it, and we're here in the office right now. I actually came to get the camera, okay? I came to get the camera. Jacob left the camera for me. You'll probably see Jacob here in a little while at the floating cabin. He's gonna come out. We're gonna get some dope drone footage, and we're gonna have a good time out at the floating cabin at Lake Pleasant, okay, in Arizona for the 4th of July. It's gonna be a lot of fun. We've got this Centurion RI 245 out there, and we're gonna have a blast. We're definitely gonna go surfing, and we're just gonna have a good time. So let's just go ahead and go right out to the lake. All right, we're pulling up to the lake right now, and on the way here, we got flipped off, okay? I'll show you that right now. And not only did we get flipped off, okay? Not only did we get flipped the bird, she held the bird. Like, I'm talking about, like, what would you say, like 20 seconds of the bird, bro?
She held it long.
She held the bird for a while. So anyways, we're pulling back up to the lake. We left. We actually slept here last night. We left, went to the office. Now we're coming back, and we're about to get fired up. We gotta put, like, we gotta do a bunch of random stuff. We gotta put, like, the stickers on the boat, because we don't have any stickers on the boat, and we'll definitely get pulled over this weekend, and just do a bunch of random stuff. So we'll take you with us. All right, so we're here on our dock, and we got our floating cabin right over there, and I'm gonna show you something really quick, okay? So we actually have a really good friend of ours who has a Paragon, okay? And then we also have the #1 wake surfer in the world, Connor Burns, okay? And we got both of their boats right here. So we've got the Paragon right here. Let's show them the Paragon, Brendan. Okay, check out that Paragon. Ooh, man, that is a sick boat. And then we've got the Centurion right next to it, okay? Pretty freaking dope. We need to put our stickers, okay? Let's see if I can show you the stickers here. So there's our stickers right there. And let's see, yep. And our registration stickers have to go right here, okay? On the front of that boat, right there. Because if we don't put them on the front of that boat, then we're definitely gonna get pulled over this weekend.
That's the sound of the police!
What we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to lower the lift in the water. That is a brand new hydro hoist, 8,800 pound hydro hoist. We're gonna put that in the water, and we're gonna put the boat in the water, scoot it back, and we're probably gonna sit on that little platform right there and put the stickers like right there on the side of the boat.
There we go. Let freedom ring.
Here's the big sticker, by the way. So we gotta put that whole sticker right there on the front of the boat. Check that out. Put in the work, baby. You gotta clean that boat. You know what I mean?
Oh, he's right there. Whip. There we go. Now he's in.
Nice. He's deader than a doornail.
I also may have broken the broom. Good cop.
For a good cop.
Made us so indifferent. We're drifting in the dark. Can we do better? Wish I could rewind back to the start. Can we do better than this? Better. You got me high and drop me low. You got that's something I can seem to let go. This love is ill. I wish that it was different.
We're gonna cook some hot dogs, cook some hamburgers. Man, get fired up. Look at those dogs right there. You got some hamburgers. You jacked out of your mind or what?
So let's talk about the dinner that I cooked you last night.
Talk to me about the
Wasn't
dinner.
the dinner I cooked you last night?
Some big dogs. I don't like shrimp, but most shrimp was good.
Most shrimp is bomb.
Most shrimp was bomb.
Let's go, dude.
Shrimp? Why would your girlfriend tell me to cook you shrimp? How's the grilling going?
Man, we're living the freaking dream. Come on. We're living
Look
the
at this
dream.
dog.
We got dude over here hanging out. He went
the
swimming
star
for
of
the
the
very
show.
first time.
Right.
We got Dude the Doodle. Check it out. For those of you guys that don't know, we got Dude the Doodle,
Right.
and he's a cat.
He's a cat.
He went
He's-
swimming for the first time in the lake, and he did pretty good. What do you think? How do you think he did?
He did good.
That's a good boy. Okay, go read some books. Check it out. So if I didn't do real estate, okay, I could be a grill master.
Okay, let's.
You know, drop in the comments down below.
I think the best thing is the fact that Zaback on the back.
Right. Zaback. On
Zaback
Zaback.
on Zaback. Oh my god. This needs to be touched. Drop in
Yeah.
the comments for that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Touched up
Right.
immediately.